Somebody forgot something. Not going to mention any names. Good morning, YouTube. Here with you on a Monday morning. It is 8:40 something. It says 8:55 on the clock. I'm going to just go with that. It's just too much to think about. 8:47, I think, is what it is. Anyway, it's close enough. I was laying in bed last night and I realized something, that I had not hooked up these two grounds here yesterday. When I got around to the front of the board and found that bad wire on the diode pack, I basically just finished, after I fixed that, I basically just finished up what was in the front here, the speaker and the, I know you can't see that, let me get back a little bit. But I finished these two connections here and this connection here, and I forgot all about what's going on around, you know. So anyway, these two grounds, right here's one and here's one, are now hooked up, and I'm going to do another test. I don't really think it's going to matter a lot, but you know, they're there for a reason, I assume. So you know, anyway, that's and also Bob has requested that I adjust this trim pot here for the bias while listening to the output on the right side, and we're going to do that. So let me get on with this before I forget about anything else. And I do have everything hooked up. Speakers are hooked up. The all the rest of the board is hooked up. And let's go for it and see what happens. Nothing happens. That's nice. So oh, I know what I did. I forgot to hook that wire back up here. See this wire over here? Go over here and see. This wire sticking up here. That was the power wire I took off to when I was doing the amplifier, the module. It goes right there. So let me hook that up real quick, and I'll come right back. All right, I do have it hooked up now. Let's try this again. Still not getting anything. Now I kind of, oh, I know it's the main speaker's not pressed. There we go. Now it'll work better now. Should.
For worldwide relief and for local. And if I'm allowed to ask if people would donate some materials and that type of thing for us.
Well, that's for an organization.
Yes.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, about any kind of cotton and
all right.
Polyester materials we can use to make quilts for the
You're not going to believe this.
Some to the clothing center and some to
I believe it's fixed.
places, and some of them go worldwide. And we also make pillowcase dresses for the needy. Some of them go to Africa and some of them go to Haiti. So we can use pillow slips and old sheets and various items like that for sewing. And
I might get a different station on here.
Or apply online today at GermanAmerican.com. German American Bank, your bank for your moments. Member
Well, that's
FDIC,
good.
Equal
I
Housing
like
Lender.
that.
During Aaron's President's Day weekend event.
Oops. Just went away. Before I do something wrong, I want to make sure I got something else not messed up. I think I'm going to adjust that bias. Make sure that's right.
Some restrictions apply. See store for details.
Stop by Arrington Seymour, 1865 East Tipton Street, or call us at 812-519-6000.
Great communities need great companies, and those companies need great people doing great work. Seymour Tubing is proud to be part of Jackson County and is offering great opportunities for great people. What makes Seymour Tubing great? Pay and benefits. Good pay with awesome benefits.
I don't see any difference in that, so.
That promotes teamwork and a family atmosphere with support from other team members. Seymour Tubing also offers opportunities to learn and grow. If you are interested in learning more about Seymour Tubing, you must apply at Elwood Staffing in Seymour. Seymour Tubing is a company that believes in equal opportunity for all.
Whether it's glasses, contact lenses, or comprehensive vision care, evaluating cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy, we at the Connor Smith Eye Center specialize in customized care. Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Lambrey. Here at Connor Smith Eye Center, we tailor to your needs while providing cutting-edge...
Callous, that's what I'm saying. 6 minutes up before 9 o'clock, I'll take a couple...
Well, I think it's fixed. I think it's just that switch right now. Sounds good to me. Well, it does help to have everything hooked up, I guess. I definitely think that cleaning those switches are next thing to do.
On 411.
Oh, certainly, this is very well.
Remodeling show.
All right, there you go. I do believe it is fixed. I think before I push my luck too far, I'm going to clean the switches and contacts and go from there. But this thing actually sounds good now on both channels. You know, I realize that, you know, sometimes I forget things and stuff, but I really didn't think that would make that much difference, but it sure did. These two grounds. You know, the thing, I don't know if it's a bad thing or good thing or about this design, is the channels and the grounds they're separate on this. And there's like, there's a ground connection here on each channel, and then there's two grounds on each side. One goes to the heatsink, and the other goes to the case. But they're grounds nonetheless, and like I said, it just I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up those grounds again on schematic and see exactly what it does. But yes, it is working now. I never would have thought it. I really was thinking, oh, that's not gonna make any difference. But adjusting the bias on the transistor didn't make a lot of difference. I left it like it basically was, put it back where it was anyway. I may go ahead and adjust those zero levels or whatever they are. Check that out. But again, like I said, I want to clean those switches because they obviously have a problem, because I was losing the left channel this time while I was listening to it. It wasn't evident on the video, I'm sure, but I was. So Alright, I'm going to knock this off. Hadn't planned on really making the video this early, but I wanted to get this out of the way. I thought, you know, well, this way I could get this thing out and get it shipped off to Bob, and it turns out that doesn't have to be done. So Gary, if you're listening, it works, buddy. We're happy about that. Very happy. So, like I say, I may go ahead and, you know, I really hate to risk it, but I may go ahead and take that board out again and fix that diode back like it's supposed to be. I don't like leaving things hanging like that. It's just not my nature to do work like that, and I did it to make sure, or to check it, you know, to test it. That's one thing, but then to just leave it in there like that, I don't like doing that. So I may go ahead and do that, and taking very good care not to mess anything else up. And that's, like I say, going to do this little video. You guys have a wonderful day. I know I'm going to. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.